I launched FamilyKind because I found that there was a real need for supportive and educational services for families who are experiencing divorce and separation. We have two missions. One is to provide high-quality services to families despite their financial situations. And our second one is really to try to change the culture.
There's a civil way of going through a divorce or separation. I think that there's a way of respecting one another, and kind of separating out how much is personal, and your emotions and how angry you are and how hurt you are.
We don't want to put the other person down. We don't want to make them wrong. We just want to exemplify how what it is that they're doing is impacting our child.
FamilyKind is vital to provide those supportive services, education, information, coaching, many other services to make sure that their transition is healthy, hopefully giving families tools and strategies that they can use well after.